Hi, this is Dr. Sanjali and I'm practicing in Goa. I had this wonderful opportunity of attending Dr. Bhavdeep Singh Ahuja's online practice management workshop. It was an amazing experience, an absolute eye opener for me. It really taught me how every small thing, every small step, how your every action, how you respond to your patient is perceived by the patient, and it in turn can either help you succeed or fail in your private practice. The best part of this course was the PGA analysis which sir had given us. It actually made me peek into my own self, what I've been doing for so many years, where I stand now, and where I need to go in future. It's like a guide for my future goals. Sir was full of energy throughout the 8th session, and as he always says, he has under promised but over delivered. I will be forever grateful to sir for whatever he has given, whatever knowledge he has given in this such a short time. It is going to help me in a long run, in a very definite way. The course is highly recommended to all the dentists if you want to excel in your private practice, because we are always taught how to treat a patient, but we are never taught how to attract a patient, and this course teaches you exactly the same.